So today we got the Z out. We moved the front bumper because we're taking it to the shop. She's gonna be lifted today finally. We're gonna start working on the suspension today. Hopefully have time to do the suspension because the main thing right now is to do the fluids, fix the steering pump. I think it just needs to be flushed because it wants to work. It's on and off. So we're gonna fix the steering pump. We're gonna try to do the suspension, fix the exhaust leak, and what else? There's a few other things I'm missing. Fluids, I can't think of it, but gave it a quick little wash. So both the headlights are like faded like this, but spraying them with water, they look super clean. So we're definitely gonna keep these headlights. I like them a lot. I think they're actually the depot ones, which are the best looking ones for the Z, and they're pretty expensive. So we're just gonna refinish the clear coat on top of them. So we're gonna sand them down and then polish them. What the heck is that? Weird, but either way, these headlights are probably the best ones for the Z. We're running a no bumper right now. We're getting a new bumper coming in tomorrow. So yeah, super excited. Car looks funny, I guess, without a bumper. But yeah, we're gonna get that stuff hopefully today and go from there. Hopefully everything's good. So we got a bunch of stuff done. I wasn't recording because we really have no time. It's like 2 a.m. right now. We have work tomorrow. So we welded the exhaust tips. It's not pretty because we got to replace the exhaust. We couldn't fix those big holes back there, but we got the old coilovers off, or struts and springs. The new coilovers are in. Let's see. So front and rear, JB weld hole. Put on the skid plate that we got for 40 bucks. Looks really good. Protects the front. And we're running no bumper right now because it's coming in tomorrow. Change the diff fluid, change the transmission fluid, changing the engine fluid, and then hopefully going home because it's already 2 a.m. We're tired and we got work in like 4 hours. So yeah, let's get this thing done. So as you guys can tell, the car is extremely low now. It does look really good, but I don't think you can drive like that. It's definitely a bunch of noise coming from the rear, rubbing, all that. But here's the front bumper. Slapped it on with just some zip ties for the time being, but definitely much nicer than the 370Z style. Like, this just should have a stock bumper and a nice lip, and it looks good. So we're getting there. The suspension is on. Re-cleared the headlights a little bit just to make them a little bit nicer, but they still got to be fully redone. Changed all the fluids. So we got diff fluid was changed, transmission fluid was changed. We changed the engine oil. So everything's pretty much ready to go, but the car is now too low, and we still have a little bit of wobble in the steering wheel when we're driving. So I don't know if it's the pump, because we also flushed the pump, or at least the hoses. So now, yeah, we're gonna take it out for a spin to try to narrow down what it could be. I'm thinking maybe the steering column, or steering rack, I mean. So we'll replace that if it needs to be. We already have a pump that we can also throw in at the same time. But once we do both those things, this should be driving exactly like a brand new 350Z. Because now it has suspension. Gonna replace a few more bushings, and literally it should be good as new. So yeah, love the rear bumper. Don't love the sticker though. Thanks, Vlad. Yeah, we're taking that off. So we have a new package for the Z today. The wheels have finally come in. Sheesh, we got 19 by 11s for the rear and 19 by 9.5 for the front. I'm about to open these up and see what they look like. I'm super stoked. Can't wait to put these babies on. Boom. These are the 19 by 11. Dang, that's a big lip. They look pretty good. The only thing that I kind of wish that it didn't have was that these fake rivets would go all the way around, just like on that one. But dang, these are gonna look so freaking good. Oof. I'm very excited. That lip is huge. Oof. We gotta raise the car ASAP to slap these on. This looks so good. Like, I am madly in love with these wheels. That's gonna look so good. Brand new tires. 275 35s 19s in the rear. 245 19s in the front. Dude, these just look so good. I can't wait to slap them on. They're gonna look so freaking good. Like, dang.